This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.
Give it up for the notification squad. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want a chance to be featured, make sure you hit that notification bell and come show your girl some love when I drop a new video. Hey guys, what's up? This is Evie and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these super cute negative space nails with encapsulated glitter. Alright, so I've already prepped my natural nails and this is going to be a polygel fill-in. So I'm going to use the Macart Clear and Dark Pink polygel along with the periwinkle glitter that's available in the shop here on the site and these iridescent snowflakes. And also nail forms, because you guys know I love nail forms. So I'm going to start off with the Gelish pH Bond, which is the nail dehydrator. And then I'm going in with the Harmony Pro Bond, which is the acid-free primer. Next, I'm taking this base gel coat and I'm concentrating this on my natural nails. And I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the dark pink polygel and I'm just going to do my fill in with this color. I am using 90% rubbing alcohol as my slip solution, but I don't think it matters what percentage. I've used 70, I've used like whatever I can get my hands on, and it all works the same. Making sure to keep that edge very crisp because of course this is a color block design. And I repeat this for all of my nails and I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to apply my nail form to extend the nail. And I'm going in with the clear polygel and I'm just going to work that down the nail. I believe I'm taking this to a 2.5 so we can have that nice clear space in the middle of the nail. And I am shooketh at how clear it is. Like, this is so pretty. I'm actually about to buy a large bottle of this stuff because I can see myself using this a lot. So yeah, pretty much I'm just working this into shape. That's the beauty with the polygel. You can take your time patting this in shape and all of that good stuff, and then you can, you know, cure and not have to worry about doing too much filing. But anyway, before I cure, I am going to press the periwinkle glitter into the polygel, and it's super easy to do. It just pretty much sticks to it. So once I have the glitter placed the way that I like, I go ahead and cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm applying that dark pink polygel at the tip and just forming that coffin tip shape that I like and making sure the edges are nice and crisp. And I went ahead and cured that. And now I'm going in with the clear polygel and we're going to encapsulate the glitter and also build the strength of the nail and all of that good stuff. It's really easy to work with. The only downside is you have to cure after every step and it feels like these nails took forever to do. But they came out super cute. So after I finally have the shape and the thickness the way that I like, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp. And now I'm just gonna take it off the nail form, and oh my god, so pretty. So yeah, I basically just repeat the same thing for all of the nails, starting off with that clear thin layer. And then pressing in my glitters, and in this case, this iridescent snowflake. And I just take the tip of my crystal katana and just press those corners of the snowflake in, and they seep right into the polygel. It makes it so much easier. Making sure that edge is very crisp, I went ahead and cured that. And then I'm going in once again with that dark pink polygel color and placing that at the tip and, you know, forming the shape and all that good stuff. But yeah, like I was saying, this design was very easy to do. It just took long because I had to cure after like each step. So that's the only downfall. But you know, if you got all the time in the world, then it's not that big of a deal. So I do want to mention that I am using the items from the Macart Polygel kit. It does come, I believe, with 6 sample sizes of polygel, and it comes with this spatula and brush tool. So you can work with that, and it also comes with dual forms. The previous polygel video I did, I used the dual forms for that one, so you guys can check that out if you're interested in how those work. But you can also use the polygels with tips or nail forms, or you know, your typical nail extension accessories. I got these iridescent snowflakes from Amazon, so I will definitely find the link and have it down below for you guys. Make the filing process easier, I try to smooth the polygel out, you know, the best that I can get it. So that's why you guys see me feathering it backwards and then going forward. I'm just trying to get it as smooth as I can get it so I don't have to do too much filing. So this is after I've done all of the nails. I just love how these came out. I mean, come on, these are freaking gorgeous. So now I'm going to do my shaping and filing, and for the polygel, it is softer than acrylic, so you don't need to file that much. You actually don't even need a nail drill. So I did all of the filing with my hand file. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with more of that clear poly gel, and I'm going to use that to adhere some bling. So once I get a little glob of that down, I'm just going to use the brush to smooth it out just a little bit. And then I'm going over that with the Poochie Snails gel top coat. It works as well as using the bling gel with the top coat. So if you guys can't get your hands on the bling gel, definitely use clear poly gel. It works just as good. So yeah, I just apply my crystals, and these iridescent crystals are available in the shop here on the website. I will link them down below. And I'll go ahead and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so next I apply the Poochie Snails gel top coat to the rest of the nails. And oh my god, I just died when I put the top coat on. I was just like, these are so beautiful. I cannot believe how beautiful these are. These are like hands down my favorite set. So before I cure, I'm just going to go in with some small iridescent crystals and place those on the tips of my nails. And after curing, I applied cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. These are so gorgeous. These remind me of like a snow globe. Like, they're super clear and they're just so iridescent-y, and oh my god, I cannot. But yeah, these are so gorgeous. Hands down my favorite nail design so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to the shop here on the website where you'll find the glitter and the iridescent crystals that I use for this nail design. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.
This is the outro to the long hair pretty nail show.